Do you want to change the color of note in Instagram? You can put Insta notes in a different color with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change the color of Instagram notes. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to the Messages section by tapping the message icon. At the top of the screen, tap on your note or what's new to create a new note. Now, type your note message. After typing the message, look for the edit icon near your profile picture. Long press on the message field or tap on that edit icon to switch between different note colors. A new screen appears. From here, you can choose different colors for your notes. Choose the color you like. Once the color is selected, tap on the Apply button. Finally, tap Share to post your note in the selected color. Your Instagram note will now appear in a new color.